Well, good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday morning. We're back at the farm. We're just down checking on the CR. Some of the things we're going to do today is tile and put the toilet in and do some concrete work around out here. We'll make a nice step platform and set the water barrel. So that's kind of what we're planning on doing today. We got the door and everything all finished yesterday, so we have a good quality door on it now. Red one. But anyway, that's
red one.
damage control in the Navy was red, so I guess damage control on the CR.
Would you like to show them inside?
But we took the time to paint it all so that it don't rust any. We used a marine grade epoxy paint this time to see how it fares.
Looks
versus
good.
Red oxide. Kept it light so that it doesn't, the paint color light so it isn't so dark inside. Used white in the roof zinc on the inside and the blue roof, but turned out really nice. We're enjoying it.
I think our tiles, it's like the color like this too.
It's kind of like that color, yeah. It's
lighter
earth tone.
gray, earth tones, yeah.
Earth tone color. So, just a few little things yet to do on it, and it'll be finished.
So guys, Reynold is getting ready to mix the cement and file the hollow blocks on the side of this extension of our Bahay Kubo, like what he did on that side, and he will continue that over here, and then we will put a gravel here. So we're not gonna put any concrete, just gravel for now. So this will be ready on the 4th for our first Bible study.
So you probably just need to clean them corners just a little bit, right? Here and yeah, them three, yep, them 3 corners. Okay, lay your tile piece. Okay, well, he's got all the tile cut and dry fitted, ready to grout or to put down the bedding. So he's got it all cut and fitted. That's his first time working with tile, and he cut and fitted it all himself, and it looks good. We'll still have to grout, but that's normal. Now he's getting ready to bed it down, glue it down.
Mix na yun eh.
Well, we got
4 tiles now.
4 and the 2 wedge pieces. We got 3 little pieces left to put in. And we'll have it in, then we got to work on the drain, floor drain, and then clean it up, and it'll be good.
Aren't you proud of your brother-in-law? It's his first
Absolutely.
time? It's his first time putting tiles.
He has done so well. He catches on so quick to this stuff.
Yeah. Good job, brother.
Well, we're just down to just kind of a little finish work, getting this door to be extra. It's nice look, so we're using grout to backfill unevenness in this door we had left over. So
Wow, that's pretty, brother.
yeah,
Good job, brother.
you done nice.
Naitid siya.
Ang gani, mawara nila sa gap na tong white pa.
Oo.
With cement.
Anyway, we're getting ready to set this up so we can pour a slab. So there's a water barrel right there. You can dip out water, take for the toilet, and wash your hands, and then it's not muddy when you're going in and out. So that's what we're getting ready to do. Half bag, isn't it?
No, 1 bag.
Okay, 1 bag.
Aaron, you say something. What we're doing?
Right, Charina, explain to us what you're doing with the broken tiles.
I guess these are the broken tiles left for the tile inside in the toilet, and I just put it here like a mosaic style. Oh my god, I need to wash this. I dropped it. So it will look good. So we don't waste any tiles. So we just put it in like that.
Marunong pala ako.
Let it look on it. Mas basa dito na side.
Marunong pala ako.
We have a lot of broken here.
Tingin.
Broken pieces.
Tingin. Itong tail.
Pinato, basa na to? Kaya ba, di mo sa iya.
Buka. Martilyo to.
So wala, puro bato.
The mosaic tiles that Charina wanted for her fancy CR.
Ay, papunta sa mukha na to.
Charina, what do you think? Do you like it?
Analagat.
What, Dun?
Analagat.
It's looking good.
Lahat ng pinukong dito nag-rock.
Mommy, the cement is
Right, get it right this time?
big.
What?
Taking
Okay. Yeah, I think that-
One touch up and it will be done. I take a video inside for the toilet bowl, guys.
All right, well, we got the toilet in, it's grout. We still got to clean and seal the floor, and we got to put a sealer around the bottom of the toilet bowl down there. But we're letting this grout dry, and then we'll wash the tile good, and then we'll seal it. So, pretty close to done.